Hello and welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom symbol libraries that you can access, graphics that you create yourself. So in a previous tutorial, I showed you how you access the symbols in the symbol sprayer in the toolbox and how you can access and open symbol libraries. And with however you want to do it, there's a couple of ways. If you want to take something from the symbols and drag it straight to your clipboard, it will put a symbol there. Or you can use the symbol sprayer itself, select what you want, and click with the symbol sprayer, and it gives you the symbol that you're looking for. But you'll notice here in the default symbol sprayer that anything that you create or click on, so we'll click this 3D ampersand and see how it adds it to my library. Well, if I want to create my own library, I can do that with my own graphics. So here we have just a regular graphic of a popsicle. And I have one that's purple, and we have one that's orange. So say I wanted to put those three popsicles into my own library and not just this default one. Well, to do that, I have to have the symbols open, and I'm going to go to my options and I'm going to select all the ones that are not being used, which is all of these. I'm going to trash them. Then I'm going to take the ones that I want, for example, this one. I'm just going to drag it into my symbol library, and this option box, dialog box will come up. So I'll name this one orange popsicle. The export type, I want it, and that means when I'm creating symbols, I want it as a graphic when I create them. A dynamic symbol is fine, and you don't need to check to enable for slicing unless you're going to be using these on, say, a website. Once I click OK, it adds it to my symbols. Now you'll see when I click on the red file, my symbol library is back to where it was before. So that means if I want to create my own custom symbols library, then that means I got to take this one and copy it. I'll go back to the file that we're working with, delete him. And then repeat the process. Drag him into my symbols catalog, name him, set the export type as graphic, dynamic symbol, click OK, and now it's added the red one to it. Copy the graphic I want to use, bring it into the file that I'm creating my custom library with. And now I have my own custom symbol sprayers. That if I drag any of these guys in there, it creates it as a graphic, and it's an editable graphic at that. But say I want to save this symbol library that I started creating. Maybe I add more graphics to it. I can go to here and I scroll down to Save Symbol Library. And it's going to ask me to save it and name it, in which case it's going to go straight into my software's plugins. So as we scroll through here, you'll see that it goes to your library, to your application, to Adobe. And under my symbol sprayers, it'll save it there. But I'm going to show you in another tutorial how you can also just kind of drag and drop them in there. But once you click Save, let's name this popsicles. When I restart the software, it will be there that I can then import this custom library. But this is how you create your own custom symbols. And in another tutorial, I'm going to show you how you add them to the software so that you have access to them forever.